right, you guys, this is problem number 8. And again, we are doing this by solving with the quadratic formula. And again, we have to get the set equal to 0. So we're going to take everything to the left by doing inverse operations. Those go to 0, those go to 0. We are left with x squared minus 6x plus 4 equal to 0. So again, quadratic formula. Let's identify A is 1, B is -6, C is 4. So we're going to put that into the quadratic formula. Remember, it's negative b, so you've got a -6 plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4 times a times c all over 2 times a, which is 1. Now, I'm going to give you a little heads up here. This particular part, when you are squaring the -6 in your calculator, don't forget, squaring anything is always a positive number. If that ends up being a -36, something is amiss. So you got to be careful of that. So then if you have that -6 for b, and then we are going to get the square root of 20 all over 2. More simplifying we can do? Why, yes, there is. 20. How to factor into perfect squares? That gives us a 2 radical 5. So what we have is x is equal to 6 plus or minus 2 radical 5 all over 2. Now, if you watched problem number 7, the same thing we can do here. Yes, there is more we can do because this 6 and this 2 have the GCF of a 2. So let's factor that out. And all over that 2. And what does that mean? The 2 over 2 go to 1. So we are left with 3 plus or minus the square root of 5. How do we want you to write that solution? The 3 plus the square root of 5 and the 3 minus the square root of 5 in between those squiggly brackets, and that would be your solution. All right, see you next time.